For thousands of years, a single leaf has comforted emperors, fueled monks through long nights of meditation, and brought strangers together over quiet conversation. Today, billions of cups are brewed every day, all from one remarkable plant. Meet the tea plant, scientifically known as Camellia sinensis, a member of the Thalassae family. Every traditional tea, green, black, white, oolong, yellow and pure, comes from this single species. The difference lies not in the plant itself, but in how its leaves are harvested and processed. Native to southern China and parts of Southeast Asia, the tea plant is now cultivated across Asia, Africa, and South America. Today, it is one of the world's most important crops, producing a beverage enjoyed by billions every day and supporting millions of livelihoods. At first glance, the tea plant is surprisingly ordinary. It's an evergreen shrub with glossy dark green leaves growing along dense branches. Left untouched, it can grow over 10 meters tall, but on plantations, it's regularly pruned into waist-high bushes to encourage fresh growth and make harvesting easier. During autumn, small white flowers bloom among the leaves, each with bright yellow centers resembling miniature camellias. But the plant's greatest value lies in its tender new shoots. Tea pickers often harvest what's known as two leaves and a bud, the young growth prized for producing the highest quality teas. Tea thrives in warm, humid climates with frequent rainfall and well-drained, slightly acidic soil. Many of the world's finest teas are grown on misty mountain slopes, where cooler temperatures slow the plant's growth and allow richer flavors to develop. A newly planted tea bush usually takes several years before producing leaves suitable for harvesting. Once established, however, it can remain productive for decades, and some wild tea trees have survived for hundreds of years. Tea is far more than a beverage. Across many cultures, it represents hospitality, tradition, and a chance to slow down. Depending on how the leaves are processed, the same plant produces green, black, white, oolong, yellow, and pure teas, each with its own flavor and character. Tea leaves are also used in desserts, cooking, skincare products, and herbal blends. Beyond the plant itself, the tea industry supports millions of farmers, factory workers, traders, and small businesses around the world. It also inspires festivals, ceremonies, and daily rituals shared across generations. According to Chinese legend, tea was discovered around 2737 BCE when leaves drifted into the boiling water of Emperor Shennong. Whether the story is true or not, tea soon became deeply rooted in Chinese culture before spreading throughout Asia. Buddhist monks drank tea to stay alert during meditation, while Japan transformed tea preparation into a respected cultural ceremony. As tea reached Europe, it quickly became a luxury before growing into an everyday drink. Its popularity fueled global trade and even influenced history. Events such as the Boston Tea Party helped spark the American Revolution, proving that a simple leaf could shape the course of nations. One of tea's biggest surprises is that nearly every traditional tea comes from the same plant. The wide variety of flavors comes from differences in harvesting and processing, rather than different species. Tea naturally contains caffeine, along with an amino acid called L-theanine, which may help promote a calm, focused feeling. Freshly picked leaves can be steamed, rolled, oxidized, or aged, creating the countless teas enjoyed around the world. Tea plants prefer warm temperatures, regular rainfall, bright sunlight, and well-drained acidic soil. Frequent pruning encourages fresh shoots while keeping the plants at a practical height for harvesting. Although they can be grown in home gardens, producing leaves with the rich flavors of famous tea-growing regions usually requires the right combination of climate, altitude, and soil. Harvesting tea is a skill perfected over centuries. In many famous tea gardens, workers still pick the leaves by hand, selecting only the youngest shoots with remarkable speed and precision. After harvesting, the leaves are carefully withered, rolled, oxidized, or protected from oxidation, and dried. These processing methods determine whether the final tea becomes green, black, white, oolong, or another variety, bringing out each tea's unique aroma, flavor, and character. The tea plant proves that changing the world doesn't always require something extraordinary. Sometimes, all it takes is a single leaf. From ancient emperors to modern households, Camellia sinensis has connected people, cultures, and civilizations for thousands of years, one cup at a time. What plant would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to discover more fascinating stories from the plant kingdom, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.